Well, hello everybody. I know it has not been that long since I posted a video from Crystal Canvas Art. I couldn't help myself, right? Amy restocked. She got new pictures. So she sent me one. That was awfully sweet of her to show. I went and I bought two, right? And then she posted a few more. She was kind of doing a little staggered thing. As a matter of fact, I think she just posted a couple more just the other day. So then I saw this one and I went back and that made 4 from this batch. You guys, can you say I'm a little addicted? I think Amy does crystals like nobody's business. I did have somebody comment that they had not tried a crystal, or they had tried crystal kits, but they felt that they were just too dark and they didn't like how crystals turned out. They apologized, actually. You don't need to apologize. But they thought that they'd all turned out too dark and they just didn't like them. And they appreciated that I was trying to, champion the crystal kit. But I honestly feel it's all in the image. And Amy has this way of picking out images that are going to look fantastic in crystals. Okay? I can see where this person thought that maybe they turned out too dark, the ones that she tried, but I think it's all about it's all about the image. And the ones that Amy picks, I don't know, she just has a knack for it. I mean, look at the colors in this. Okay, this is going to just pop. This is a rainbow. It's going to be bright and beautiful. I've done 3, I think, and I love every single one of them, okay? Here is her basic toolkit that you get now. You've got the white boat, big hunk of wax, a pen with a squishy, and a multi-placer. Maybe you'll get to multi-place in this kit. I don't know. Let's find out. I had to have this one, you guys, seriously. First of all, before we go any further, just look at the colors right there. Just look. Yellow, blue, green, orange, red. I don't know if there's purple or not. Here's purple. I told you it's a rainbow. Has 30 colors. Look, 2 yellows at the bottom. It's, oh my gosh. And look at that drill field. Okay, right? Okay, all of her symbols are in a white circle. Don't worry, the rhinestones are big enough to cover that up. You won't see the white circle. You won't see that symbol. They're just... Okay, what did I have to have? What did I have to have? Can you tell what that is? Can you tell? It's hot air balloons, but that is a reflection because the hot air balloons are up there. This thing's huge. Oh my goodness. It's huge. Amy, what are you doing to me? This is huge. What size is this thing? It was one of the more expensive kits, but we're talking like, $30. I don't know if she has anything over $30. It's a 50 by 80. Holy smokes. Isn't it beautiful? It's beautiful. You guys, I have such a collection of Amy's kits now. I don't even know which one to do next. I really don't. Hey, I need more time to diamond paint. That's what I need. Is it 50? It is spot on 50 centimeters across. So we can guarantee it's going to be 80. Whoa, look at the rainbow. Do you see the rainbow in here in the water? There's a reflection of a rainbow here. That's gorgeous. I'm telling you, color, 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 right? Do you want to see the picture up close? Let me show you the picture. Here's what the picture looks like. Like I said, hot air balloons over the water. There's a reflection. Look, you can see the rainbow here and here. This basket. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. It's poured glue. It's sticky glue. All right. I have not had any trouble with her kits. Not at all. Haven't run out of any drills. No problems with the glue. Everything just comes together super nice. This is stunning. See why I had to go back and buy that one? Do you see? Right? Oh, can I just diamond paint? No, I have to make videos for you guys. Come on, Oh, goodness. So here's our symbols. They are numbers, 1 through 8, and they are letters. A, C, D. They took out E, so there's no E and F. They tried to make it so that nothing can get confused with anything else. I have not had trouble with the symbols on her kits. Oh, wow. Guys. Okay, and then, okay, let's just say, I'll just put this right out here. Just yesterday, I had asked Amy a while back about one of the kits. Hang on. It was honestly one of those kits that I thought might be, the colors were too dark and it might not turn out. So I was asking her about it, and she has been keeping me informed because somebody in her Facebook group is working on it. And so she has been showing me pictures. And I'm telling you what, you guys, it looks amazing. So there may be one more in my future. Look at those blues. Look at these, look so close. Those two and those two blues looked super close, but there is just enough of a difference there that you're going to get amazing shading. Look at, I'm telling you, it's a complete rainbow. Look at that purple. Oh my goodness. Look at the reds, you guys. Okay, let's just pull out all of these. Some are orange, more orangish, like that's really more orangish, goes with that. But look at bright red, garnet red, ruby red. You call them what you want. They're beautiful. What do we have here? What's in this pile? That's a purple. Can you see the purple? Kind of hard to tell. It's purple. Okay, so these are like our tans, our champagne colors. Look at that. This is our black, and this is black resin drills. This is not a rhinestone. They are resin. They have the silver back, but they're just your regular resin drills, and that's going to be used for outlining and to help things just pop. All right. Okay. I feel myself being drawn back to get that other painting. It was a dragonfly. I mean, seriously. Look at the colors. Look at this one. I mean, look at the blues. Wow. Okay, so these two blues, look at all 4 of these blues together. Those are 4 different blues, I believe. 9, 10, 11, and 12. They sure are. But they are just a hint or a shade different, and it's going to just make all the difference in this canvas. Look at all the blue we have, right? I'm in love. Oh, wow. That's yellow. Holy cow, that's yellow. Green, gold, olive green. Another purple, light purple. Yeah. This is a blue, like a really deep, dusty kind of a blue. I know they're hard to see when you see the silver backs, but, and then we have a large bag of 25. That's got to be like water or something. Beautiful. You guys, it's so pretty. This just makes me want summer in the worst kind of way. We have some hot air balloon festivals in Michigan. Of course, you know, last year we didn't have them. Maybe this year we'll have some and we'll be able to go. I love to go see the hot air balloons. There's actually one that's really close to the school I taught at. They do an event there. Maybe they'll be able to do it this summer because I miss it, you know? Stuff like this is so much fun. But isn't that just gorgeous? I mean, can you think of any other word except gorgeous? Amy, you do crystals the right way. You just do. She's got a knack for it, you guys. I don't know what she's got going on with her next order. I don't know if I'm sure she has stuff like lined up, probably being produced, but you guys go check her out. She's got a bunch of stuff available. Some of the newer stuff was so popular it sold out. There's still some new stuff there. Just go check her out. There's pretty stuff. like I've said, if you have not tried a crystal kit, try one. Get a real colorful one and just try one, okay? And then if you don't like it, okay, good, fine. But just get a real pretty colorful one and try it. That's all I can say. Thanks, Amy, for what you do. My collection is growing. I wish I could finish them all, but you know, this one is stunning. Just stunning. And huge, by the way. Huge. I know you've done larger, but this one is big. All right. Okay, I will have her linked below. She does have a Facebook page as well. I'll try to link the store and the Facebook page. And check her out. Thanks for watching, you guys. And come back and see me again. Maybe you'll never know. I might just have another crystal kit next time. I can't help myself. Oh, yeah. The obsession is real. I'm going to have to count how many of hers I have. I'm thinking 15 to 20. All right, I'm going to go now. It's been great spending some time with you. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.